Chao, bye. Bueno, I love you. Te queremos mucho. Mucho, mucho. Pásala muy bien y nos vemos en Colombia.
Yeah, see you guys in Colombia.
Hey, come on, Chao.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hola, Chao, te saludo especial, es un gusto conocerte. Fue un placer conocerte todo este tiempo. Un abrazo gigante y ojalá siempre lo recuerdes.
Okay.
Un abrazo.
Ay, chao. Pues, ¿qué te digo? Mira que al principio no me caías tan bien, pero te fui conociendo y que eres una chimba de persona. Te voy a extrañar muchísimo. Estos últimos días que hemos pasado juntos han sido muy bonitos. Y créeme que vas a hacer mucha falta. Estás invitado a Colombia cuando quieras. Te estaré esperando allá, las puertas abiertas. Y te quiero mucho.
Fine English.
That's it.
That's it, only Spanish. I don't understand any of them.
Well, Chao, I'm gonna miss you so much. You're invited to Colombia anytime you want. Really, we were waiting for you there. This couple of weeks has been really cool with you in housekeeping. I'm gonna miss you so much. I don't know what I'm gonna do without you.
No.
But that's it. I love you so much.
I love you too. Okay, so chicken rice.
But wait, chicken rice and wait, chicken rice.
Okay.
Wait.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, wait. Ay, sí. You need to tell me when you won't start.
Uh-huh. No, it just already started.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Chicken rice. I will miss you so much. You
Miss
know,
you too.
we work a lot of time together.
Yeah.
And I remember when you hugged me before, no, after my accident. Yes. And chicken rice, I really miss you.
I miss
Right
you.
now, because I know that.
I miss you too.
But
Yeah.
I know you will go to Colombia.
Yes, because the chicken rice.
Okay, chicken rice for you.
No.
You and your friend.
No.
Oh, no, yeah, chicken rice. I'll be waiting for you in Colombia. I will miss you so much. And I love you so much.
I love you too. Some Spanish.
Chicken rice.
Take care. Have fun, Vegas.
Chicken rice.
Alright. It doesn't matter.
Chao, parce, la buena, usted fue un muy buen amigo, un buen supervisor. Me alegró mucho compartir todos esos momentos tan bacanos con usted y nada, le deseo un muy feliz viaje a China y seguramente nos volveremos a encontrar.
Yeah, I understand. Entiendo.
Okay? English. Chao, you're a very good guy, very kind. I really appreciate all the help I received from you. I'm sure that we are gonna meet again in the future, probably in China.
No, Colombia, our business, remember?
Don't forget our business.
Yeah,
Colombia.
of course, you have a little farm, yeah.
Farm, okay, potatoes, you know.
Yeah, special potato, of course.
So, what else? I hope you have an excellent trip to your country, and man, God bless you.
Thank
That's
you.
it.
Thank you.
Bye.
Ok, chao. Ha sido un placer conocerte. Espero que tengas un buen viaje y que te vaya todo bien por Japón, digo China.